Let's get in the boat. We can kind of bring it.
I wouldn't get in the boat with you.
I jumped over the side.
Hey, Ethan, get in the boat with me.
Okay.
Bigger or better?
Oh, did you really?
Get in here. Get in the boat. Okay, why does it smell in here now?
I don't know. It smells like fish.
Don't touch it.
It actually does smell like fish in here.
I can't smell.
Okay, I'm gonna get behind the boat. You're actually in the street.
Oh, fuck! I don't have a mag in, dude.
Kennedy, give me an empty magazine.
No one.
Bounding, bound! I love to see it, man. I love to see it.
Hell yeah, we spawned at the palm tree now.
Palm tree!
Hey, you guys can respawn at the palm tree now. Nah, fucking let them go up.
I got all the input. I don't care. The rest of us can wear multicam.
Brayden, shut up. That sounds hard. Sorry, I'm not trying to push you out.
Oh no, you're good, you're good.
He doesn't like you.
Doesn't like my pistol. Yeah, I had my gun like this. Hey, Gio.
Yeah.
Turn around. Say goodbye.
Oh no. Not again. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Right.
Oh, forward. Ah! Why is he hosing? Quit being a hose. I'm reloading.
They're everywhere.
Look at that asshole. Look at it. Have you ever, hey Brayden, have you ever seen a dog lay down?
Huh?
Have you ever seen a dog lay down with the legs out? Have you ever seen a dog lay down with the legs out? Look at Ethan. Hey Barry, we gotta make a move.
I'm not like to start up my butt, Gio. Should I push the thing?
Left side's down! Left side's down!
Push down! Brandon, get up!
B2's hot! Thank you. Hey, let's move! Let's move! Left, 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 left!
I'll get you, bitch!
Watch out!
Watch your left, watch your left. Come on, come on.
Left side! Brandon, left! Oh. Left.
I want to be like that guy right there.
Double windows! Double windows! Hey, Rocket! Rocket!
Nah, I went too far left. I've already shot the thing like 8 times ever, so.
Do you have more rockets or no?
No, I just shot him.
I was gonna say, I gotta shoot one in this,
I was trying to, but it curved way left.
I said shoot it if you have any. You don't have any, huh?
No, I just shot him.
Okay. I caught 3 of them cheating.
I have a hand toss, so if you can get up there.
Hand toss?
You got him, okay.
Inside double window?
Hey, they're pulling back. They're pulling way, way back. Those fishes are moving right in front of us. My bad. That was me.
Hey, let's move up as a force.
Fall back. Moving. Got him. Out. Right middle. That one. Let it go up there.
Oh, hit. Go ahead.
Middle one in the window.
Left or right?
Over here, you can just barely see him. But if you lean down on it,
Just a whole, a long ass line.
Right, hold up.
We all get online and we just shoot as we move forward.
Hey, let's get online. Let's get online. Let's get online.
Shoot as much as you can.
Are we all running?
We're all gonna go. Forward, we gotta go. Hey, we need double windows taken out. There's a guy double windows right here. Hey, are we ready? Are we ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. 3, 2, 1, go. Ah, hit. Hit. Good fucking push. I got hit in the nuts.
Hey, what's my love? Hey, respawn, get back up here, retake your position. Hey, really next to you. Left side, left side, left side.
Let's do it. Hey, now's the time to go. They're all dead.
Leo, right
Yeah.
building, window, right building, back right.
Got it. Hey, let's go. They're all dead. They're gonna respawn now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's keep moving. Let's keep moving. Let's keep moving. Let's keep moving. Alright, dude. Just play fucking dead at the spawn. They're playing dead at spawn and they're shooting anybody that comes around the corner. Hey, let's do it again! I need some movement! Let's go! Alright, let's go, guys. Watch out, watch your head.
I got you.
Hey, let's go! Let's go! They're all dead. Let's go!
Run! Across the road first.
See, watch this guy. He keeps spawning in and shooting back in. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We don't have time.